this quick.
Siguro nagsunod kay kain yung sinagot din ako ng anak eh. Sabi nito yung pagkakabot.
Your death is music to my ears.
First blood. That was amazing. Slain.
I will compose the greatest sonata with your corpse. Don't even try to escape the sun.
Eh, kahit sabihin magbuwan ng electrical, huwag mong gawa eh.
Sabi tatawagan ng taxi ng na.
Let's make this quick.
Sila yung gusto rin.
Your death is music to my ears.
Nilagyan ng ganyan.
Eh, hindi. Humanap sila ng electrician.
Wala naman
Wanna take a look inside?
An enemy has been slain.
I will compose the greatest sonata.
Request backup. An ally has been slain.
Crescendo bullets.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
My crescendo bullets.
Tala, nagpintura lang nito ay si Gracia.
Hindi, makikita mo talaga yung kita.
An ally has been slain.
Hindi pa yan niliha.
Request backup.
Pura yan ni Chris.
Understood. Watch out for flanking. Okay.
Yan, nung pagbigay ko ng down payment kay Chris dito, agad
Don't
pinurahan
even
niya
try
dito.
to escape the sun.
Hindi, talagang... Oo.
An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Bullets. My crescendo bullets.
Pero ito,
Bobo, nag-vision ako.
dalawa pa kami dito.
Initiate retreat.
My crescendo bullets.
Understood. Watch out for flanking. Initiate retreat. Okay.
I-finish na lang.
Kanina, yun na magtrabaho.
Wanna take a look inside?
Tapos yung mga tubo sa terrace, yung
Let's make this quick.
lahat yun.
Wala naman, kahit hindi ko pa
An enemy has been slain.
Don't even
An
try.
enemy has been slain.
My crescendo bullets.
You have slain an enemy.
Your death is music to my ears.
Request not ready. Understood.
Ngayon, sino sa pinto? Sino?
I am only fighting myself.
Initiate retreat.
Else.
Our turret is under attack.
Your death is music to my ears.
Gather up the turtle.
Wala lang, pwede pa.
My crescendo bullets.
An ally has been slain.
Don't even try escaping my sight.
Sabi ng patindigan, kaya namin.
kapag nagkaroon ng tao, hindi nila wala
You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
My crescendo bullets.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Triple kill.
Let's make this quick.
An ally has been slain.
Wanna take a look inside?
Kaya mo?
An enemy has been slain.
Eh, oo, sabi mo nga. Pati, pero ba't tumingin ko sa akin? Nakita mo si Doy-Doy? Ay, kasalubong ko sa labasan. Tapos kasalubong ko ulit dito eh. Oh, ay, hindi niya ako napansin sa labasan.
My crescendo bullets!
Pag nakita sa akin,
My crescendo bullets!
Kasalubong ko sa labasan.
Killing spree.
Hindi niya ako napansin.
pero kahit ganun lang yung video, pag nakikita ko wala.
Hindi to. Pag nakasalubong ko,
Our turret has been destroyed.
nakita ka na naman.
Ano?
Our turret is under attack. Request backup.
Ay, gago na po.
I'll post the
Ayun,
greatest.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain. Unstoppable.
Fine. Hindi ko naman alam yan.
Wanna take a look inside?
Paglabas ng karita. Oo, kanan.
My crescendo bullets!
Pagligo.
Your death is useless.
Your team destroyed a turret. Sorry.
Nabuha ko, pre. Pasensya na.
Your inhibitor turret is under attack.
Crescendo bullets!
Yung pagligo. Ay, lupa. Luwan. Meron ba yung hindi ako pumasok? Isang araw. Babies.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Limot ko ang mukha nito makikita ko na lumapit sa akin.
I only fight for myself. No one else.
No, nakita ko nun dyan.
Kasi dito naman, libot ko mga mukha na.
Ay, kaya ako natawa. Kasama yung asawa.
Wanna take a look inside?
Kasama ni Mulungyo. Ni Kuya yun.
Kasama pa rin niya.
Oo.
Shut down.
Huling nakita ko sa...
Di ba yung nagtsahe niya? Ano ni Iman?
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Tawag dito.
Crescendo bullets!
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, ulit.
An ally has been enemy double kill.
My crescendo bullets!
Unang lang na
Don't
Initiate retreat.
lahat kayo. Yan.
Kasi si Lulong yan. Di ko alam kung makapunta rin ako.
Huwag mong takot.
Okay.
I'll post the
Kahit
greatest
saan na
now.
Watch out for flanking. Understood.
Doon mga pinagalitan si Noel na
Our turret is under attack.
patay yung anak. Ano ba? May naman si Noel ah.
Your death
Enemy killing spree.
years.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Lang po ako yung tutugan.
My crescendo bullets!
Ura.
Our turret is under attack. Ally has been slain.
Ah, di sa harap ng antos niya. Sabi lang kita.
I'll post the greatest now.
An enemy has initiate retreat. Shut down. Enemy rampage.
Round na nila nun eh. Mga ilang araw lang siguro. Siguro wala pa isang linggo. Hindi ako nakatiis kasi walang CR.
An enemy has been slain.
Ayos lang yan.
Sabi ko kay Noel.
I
Our turret is under attack.
one else.
Dalawa kayong sila.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sabi ko, okay, pasensya ka na sa sasabihin ko, ano ya. Kasi pagsabihan ko
Wanna
lang.
take a look inside?
Ako, nagtag lang sa inyo.
Watch out for flanking.
Nakamurong na anak, nag-aaway pa kayo mag-asawa.
Don't even try to
Magsusukat
escape
ka pa?
my sight.
Anong usap ang gawin ka? Ikaw, father din pag nilagay.
Request backup.
Wala sa hulog yung buwan mo.
Shut down.
Eh, di ba
Your death is
Our
useless.
inhibitor turret is under attack.
close to great as Nada with your corpse.
Ay, wala ba?
Unahin dyan.
Pangalawa,
Wala.
wala.
Anong taon pa
The
lang?
enemy has slain Lord. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
Johnson, Bijan. Bijan Johnson.
13, 14.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Naglagay.
Kasi tatlo.
An ally has been slain.
Wala pa lang.
Unstable network. Unstable network. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Request backup.
Music to my
Talagang
ears.
sana nga isa ako nilapitan ako ng mag-asawa. Ayun, pasensya. Sabihan natin eh.
Unstable network. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
No one else.
An enemy inhibitor turret is under attack.
Bloody.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Ay,
Ally has been slain.
Lang mo si Pinagila.
buti hindi na tama si Sheila. Ano?
Push lang.
Tinong kami naman sa araw. Hindi naman siya sumunod sa araw. Maabit.
I will close to great as Nada.
Bata pa.
Sashin.
Yung taon pa lang ako.
Walang kasashin.
I am myself. No one else. My
Shut down. Killing spree.
Adik din ba si Luli?
Magamit yun.
Mega kill.
Nagagalit.
Shut down. Mega kill. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Wanna take a look inside?
End na natin.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Gusto niyan si Malapit na.
Sonorin.
Gather up the Lord. Team destroyed a turret.
My crescendo bullet.
Gusto ka pin. Ang linis.
Initiate retreat. Split up.
Try
Linis
to
yung
escape.
Watch out for flanking.
Ang kapatid.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Shut down.
Ano pa? Kutsara niya. Ang laki-laki yung hawakan.
Request back. Initiate retreat.
Ganyan. Ay, ganito lang kalaki yung
An
hawakan.
enemy has our inhibitor turret is under attack. Destroyed. Our base is under attack.
Kasama sa Manila yun. Kasama sa isang metro yun. Metro niya.
Defeat.
Kutsara. Nakawala yun.
Tanghali.
Bigat nyo, pre.